a shout, one spoken fear, the other in grace. And we saw both staring us right in the face. But then came a voice through the noise and the fight, a dreamer with fire who pointed to light. He said, choose the one that leads you home. And we knew we were never alone. Feed the light, don't feed the night. Let the darkness fade from sight. We got the strength, we got the flame. Ash lit the torch and we rose in his name. Feed the light, one path, one higher dream. Together we're more than we ever have been. Every step we take feels right when we choose to feed the light. He didn't promise a life